How's it going, YouTube? Bronco Outdoors here with another car gadget review video, and today we're going to be taking a look at the MUCAR 682 Auto Diagnostic Scanner. Super excited to take a look at this device, as this is MUCAR's claimed star product. So definitely interested in seeing what that's about. I will have a special Amazon link down below that you can get a special deal on, as well as it helps out the channel, so much appreciated if you choose to check that out. This scanner has 20 resets, a 6.2-inch display, as well as AI-powered diagnostics. So I'm very interested to see what that really entails. So we're gonna go ahead and check that out. Let's get started. Kicking this off with the unboxing, inside the box you're going to get your instruction manual, the scanner, and taking a look at the scanner on the side, we have a microSD card slot and USB-C charging slot, and over on the top you have your OBD2 port. We have some tactile buttons and a rugged rubber design around the whole device, along with your USB-C charging cable and OBD2 cable. Moving on to the setup, simple setup, plugging in your OBD2 cable at the top, and then of course into your OBD2 port on the vehicle, navigating over to the settings and connecting this device to the Wi-Fi. That way we can navigate to the software update section and get our free lifetime updates and make sure we take advantage of that. So you can go ahead and click download, and it's as simple as that. This device is FCA Diagnostics compatible, so you can go ahead and enable that straight from here. Moving on to some testing, we'll go ahead and do the auto search function, which is going to do a full system scan. You can see it's pulling up some information on my vehicle, and it will do an entire system scan, pulling up each and every module, along with any error codes, which we can see come in right here. And that will be the first test of this AI agent, which is going to give us a definition, symptoms, and guidance for the error code that we pulled up for my vehicle. I'm going to go ahead and click on the circuit system test, which is going to give me some instructions on using a multimeter, how to measure the battery, as well as component tests to test the battery health with a load tester, and a maintenance guide on how to keep this from happening in the future. We can also click on a reference video, which automatically pulls up YouTube with my code on my vehicle, as well as click on the Google option to take me straight to Google without ever having to leave the device. We can clear our DTC code straight from this screen as well, leaving it all nice in one screen and package. You don't have to navigate too much, and we can see that the code did clear, and we can create and generate this report, create a PDF, and share this or print this off to our customer. Now we'll jump into the diagnose section, which just is going to show us how many vehicles we have compatible with this device. It is a huge list, and you are definitely going to be covered if you purchase this vehicle. Make sure you check the coverage list if you do. Now moving on to the OBD2 section, this is where we are going to check our inspection and maintenance readiness. We're going to be able to do some live data capturing, like this absolute throttle position, and see how quick the data comes in after I step on the accelerator. So you can see nice and quick there, definitely no delay, and we have about as much live data streams as you can ever imagine. Moving on to our maintenance functions, this is our list of 20 resets, which are each going to have their coverage list, so you can double check if it is available for your vehicle, make, model, and year. Although I was having a little bit of trouble with this screen, I definitely think it'll get better in the future. Moving on to the fault code library, which is a quick, offhand, back of the napkin way to check what an error code means, along with your quick access buttons to your MU AI agent and Google Chrome, of course, with that same wonderful AI agent information. And here we have our MU AI agent chatbot, which we can write to and get some very detailed information for troubleshooting an issue, like your car won't start, you can hear it trying when you turn the key. This is all very good information on how to test it and how to use the scanner, so it definitely comes in handy if you're new to auto diagnostics. Let's go ahead and close out this video. So that about wraps up my review of the MUCAR 682 Auto Diagnostic Scanner. I'm a big fan of these scanners in general, and MUCAR I think definitely takes a unique spin on it, implementing that AI agent technology that really helps you and is a nice feature to have there if you're starting out in auto mechanics and you need a guide to walk you through certain things that you may not know right off the bat. You know, it's hard to pick up a lot of that industry knowledge, and that being there definitely gives you a step in the right direction. It's definitely my favorite form factor for an auto diagnostic scanner as well. It's a happy marriage between a large touchscreen and a rugged device that can withstand being thrown around and used in your auto mechanic shop. Coming with free lifetime updates, 20 scans and resets, that's definitely nothing to scoff at, and all for a pretty good price point. I don't think you can go wrong. So if you're looking for a device of this size and of these features, I definitely recommend you check out the MUCAR 682. You won't be sorry. I've tested these products before, and I can definitely say this one withstands the tests, and I am definitely happy to recommend it to anybody who needs an auto diagnostic scanner. That's all I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to check the links in the description below if you want to purchase one for yourself. There is an affiliate link which will help out the channel, and we can keep doing what we love to do here. So thank you so much. You have a great day, and bye-bye.